Well, hi everyone. Today I'm back in the kitchen with award-winning chef David Hawksworth. Hey, thanks for coming back.
Yeah, it's fun.
So we're going to take a classic recipe today and you're going to put a unique twist on it. What are we making?
So we're going to make a pork and cilantro meatball, and we're going to do a coconut and lime broth.
Oh, yummy.
Don't be afraid of the ingredients. They're really easy, really fun. So let's get going.
Okay, where do we start?
So we've got the Johnsonville ground sausage, and then we've got some onion slowly cooked down, no color on this one, a little bit of red chili in there.
You like it hot, don't you?
Yeah, I do like a bit of spice, make it fun. So in with the onion, right? And then you want to add a bit of breadcrumbs to there. That's just going to kind of firm it up. Touch of milk, and then we'll go in with some fresh cilantro. So you want to mix this thoroughly all together. You've got that lovely cooked down onion, nice and sweet. You've got the cilantro in there, a little bit of chili. That breadcrumb's going to firm everything up a little bit.
Now you've added some chili peppers, but if you really wanted to kick it up, you could use the Johnsonville hot ground sausage?
Absolutely. They're all versatile. You can use any of them. Just try them all out and see which one, use your preference. So now we've thoroughly mixed the meatball mixture. Okay, so you've got the mix ready to go. That's what you're aiming for. You're trying to make a golf ball.
Is there a trick?
Just press it in, give it a roll, and then onto the plate. You can put them in the fridge and reshape them after they've chilled down if you want to.
Okay.
And then after that, they're ready to go. It's into the pan, right? So they're now nicely caramelized. This is where you want to caramelize. And you want to get them, nice and brown all the way around. And once that's done, you're going to take them out.
Okay.
And then we're going to make, basically you're making a curry, right? So you've got some turmeric, you've got some coriander, a touch of cinnamon, cardamom, some lemongrass, some red chili, some ginger, some lime. You want to add those and saute them. Just get that real fragrant sort of flavor coming out. And that by toasting that gets it nice and powerful. Then you're going to add your chicken stock, your coconut milk, and your water. You're going to bring it up, and then you're going to add your pork meatballs to that, and they're just going to follow through cooking there. Tons of flavor, really delicious. You can add a little bit of lime zest and some lime juice to that just to make it just even more powerful. And that's your finished product.
This is what it looks like.
Right?
It's beautiful. It's so vibrant with that yellow in there.
So you can do some Thai jasmine rice. You can do some brown rice with that. You could do a little salad with watermelon, mango, some cashew nuts. And you can make these up ahead of time, keep them in the freezer. Pretty easy stuff to make.
Okay, I think we need to try it, of course. Oh, the coconut just pops.
Excellent.
That is delicious. Definitely want to try this at home. Thank you so much for being with us again.
You're welcome.
And we'll see you next time. To find out more about the great taste of Johnsonville sausage, go to betterlivingtv.ca/pork meatballs.